Hello YouTube and welcome. In this video I would like to do with you the unboxing of this starter deck for the popular game Star Wars Unlimited. So this is from the Jump to the Lightspeed set, and this is the Boba Fett deck. Seeing the back of the box, this box contains a 50 card fixed deck, a base card, a leader card, 3 double-sided token cards, 31 counters and a booster pack. So let's see what we can get in this one. So, taking all from the box, here we have our deck, here we have the counters, double-sided, and finally here we have our booster. So let's open and see the deck, this Boba Fett deck. So here we have the Boba Fett, our leader, back of the card, and here we have Jabba's Palace as a base, and now the 3 tokens. So here we have the experience token, and in the other side we have the shield tokens. Put it in here. Now let's see what we get in this deck. So here we have First Order Stormtrooper, great art. Put it here. 3 copies. Allegiance General Pride. First Legion Snow Trooper. 3 copies. Ooh, beautiful art. Zygerian Starhopper. 3 copies. TIE Bomber. Also 3 copies. Fifth Brother. 2 copies. Elite P-38 Starfighter. 2 copies. Houndstooth. 3 copies. Bosk. 3 copies. Dengar. 2 copies. Taking the rest of our deck. Put it here. So here we have Fett Fire Spray. 3 copies. IG 2000. Hunting Aggressor. Nice. 2 copies. Imperial Interceptor. 2 copies. IG 88. Boba Fett. Fett Fire Spray with a different art. Electromagnetic Pulse. Daring Raid. 3 copies. Grenade Strike. 1 copy. No Good to Me Dead. Ooh. Another iconic scene of the original trilogy. 3 copies. Ooh. Nothing to say about this image. Fantastic. Force Choke. Ooh. 3 copies. No Disintegrations. 3 copies, and the rest of our deck. Fantastic arts in this. Now let's see what we get in this booster that comes with our deck. And this one starts with Rose Tycho. Here we have in the other side. Here we have Resistance Headquarters in the hyperspace. Ooh, an X-Wing token. Hyperspace also. Nice. Now here we have Sith Trooper, Blade Squadron B-Wing, Invasive Maneuver, Kimodula Heavy Fighter, Academy Graduate, Focus Fire, Determined Recruit, Out the Airlock, Eager Escort Fighter, Frisk. You're all clear, kids? Nice. Fly Casual. And a rare Shadow Caster. Ooh. Nice image. And with our foil, Dequar Cargo Frigate. Beautiful. Beautiful. Nice pulls in this one. So this is what I have to share with you. I hope you like it, you enjoy it. Until the next time, see you.